Just wanted to make a quick update video on the S1000RR. As of right now, I got about 1,200 miles on the bike, maybe a little over. Haven't done too much. Put these tech spec tank guards on it. Have the bike hooked up to this Optimate battery charger for lithium ion battery. Other than that, still bone stock, still phenomenal. I also put on the protective 6.5 inch TFT display protector for motor rad. Other than that, like I said, bone stock, still phenomenal. Having a lot of fun with the bike. It's time to put the bike up though. The weather is changing. Next week the time is gonna change, so I'm not gonna be doing too much riding. What I want to talk about though is this BURSIG stand here. Great stand, phenomenal. Had it since 2016 when I had the single R. The problem is this plate is for the old body style double R, and it doesn't fit this frame. So I reached out to BURSIG. They don't have the new plate yet, but I want to get it off the floor and stuff like that. I want to be able to clean the chain and all that. So I started looking at a couple of stands. I looked at Pitbull, looked at Woodcraft, and there's another one that I had, a cheaper model. Forgot the name off the top of my head. I remember I had that years ago. I never had any problems with it, but I know a lot of people said their bikes fell and stuff like that. What I did do, I got an option. This is an option I looked at a while back when it was in the Kickstarter stage. So I said, you know what, why not give it a shot? I saw other people had it. Let's unbox it. Got this packed in here pretty good. Okay, so I got everything put together. Pretty simple, just popping on some wheels and stuff like that, some cotter pins, straightforward. I like that it comes with these two different style brackets. So this one is a closed design. I guess if you're kind of unsure, you just need a little more assurance that the bike is on, this is a good option. If you're pretty confident, you could go with the open designs, which I did. And I like that it's two different sizes. There's a taller side and a shorter side. I guess for different different levels, height levels. Let's jack up the bike and let's see what it looks like. Little added safety to avoid tip overs. Love it. It works. I think I'm happy with it. It's not going to replace my BURSIG. Once the plate comes in, I'll also have my BURSIG. This way I can lift it up a little higher. to do some other work, but as far as getting my chain cleaned and just moving it around the garage as needed, just gonna work out great. Alright, so there you have it, Dynamoto stand. Official, I love it. Definitely not sponsored. Bought this with my own cash, as I did the BURSIG. Both are pretty good stands. This one I was able to move around. Like I said, I have since 2016, able to move it around, lift up the bike, tilt the bike, and all that. Great stand. I'm gonna keep this stand because I still want to be able to do that. And once the new plate comes out, I get the new plate, and I'll use both. Dynamoto stand is great because I can move it around, and if I could do little small stuff like clean my chain and all that other stuff, which is cool. Where I may not need to put it on the BURSIG stand, I could have that in the corner somewhere. But both are great stands. Dyno stand definitely worth the money. A little pricey, definitely worth the investment. As is the BURSIG, a little pricey, but as they say, you get what you pay for, right? Haven't been disappointed by this BURSIG, and I don't think I'm gonna be disappointed by the Dynamoto either.